Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can remove duplicate values from your spreadsheets and tables on Google Sheets. So let us get started without further ado. So let's assume, for example, you have a column like that one here, column A, and now you would like to check if there are any duplicates and remove them automatically. There's a simple way how you can do that, guys. Simply select the given column or row in question, which in this case here is column A. So select it, and after that, head over to data here at the top, select data cleanup here, and choose remove duplicates from that menu. And that is going to give you access to that menu here. So you may select, for example, the columns to analyze all or only column A. So let me go with column A. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to remove these duplicates. And as you can see, all duplicate values from that column here has been automatically removed, found and removed. As you can see, 11 of them, and 9 unique rows remain. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.